Hi, I'm Mark. I'm a notary public myself, also an owner of a nationwide signing service, and I want to give you, the notary signing agent, tip of the week. Don't ever staple your loan docs. Now, you can tell me is Mark, well, what if I have a notary attachment? First thing I need to make sure you understand is when the loan docs get returned to escrow, they're putting it through a scanner so they can scan docs back to the lender, or they're making copies so they can get them out to the recording. So bottom line is your loan docs they take and they throw it to a scanner machine. So whether you staple it or not, someone's gonna unstaple it. Now, the best way to protect yourself as a notary is to ensure that your attachment has written on it what it's attached to. So at the bottom of it, you put attached to deed of trust, attached to correction agreement, attached to quitclaim deed. It can protect you. There are some very good attachments out there that actually give more information on what your form is attached to. So it would be like other signers, date of document, to really protect you in case the other pages get separated. No one can use your loose acknowledgement or loose jurat for fraudulent purposes. But you don't ever want to staple anything in your loan pack because you're an educated signing agent and you know those loan documents that you're signing are going through a scanner at some point, whether it's the scanned docs back to the lender or whether it is the escrow or title company making copies of the lender deed or the mortgage or the deed of trust. So remember, don't ever staple your documents and protect yourself on your loose leaf attachments by always writing down what they're attached to. Follow my channel for more tips and tricks just like this.